Kev, what do you call this? A golf practice place on steroids. All right, Virginia is for Grubbers. We got a very special, I say very special every time. It's special every time, but today's a big day, especially for Virginia. Today is Wednesday. We don't shoot old-fashioned Fridays on Fridays. A lot of people think we do. Typically, we don't because we have to edit them, dump the footage, edit, put it out, whatever. So today is Wednesday. The governor of Virginia just announced he's lifting a lot of the restrictions. Restaurants can stay open till midnight. A couple of music venues can have, I think, up to 1,000 people, et cetera, et cetera. It's a big day. Plus, it's 66 degrees. Today, we're in Ashburn, Virginia at Top Golf. Top Golf is a, Kev, what do you call this? A golf practice place on steroids, because there's like, it's like an arcade game, but you're like golfing. It's phenomenal. Plus now they have a system where you can link up to the TV, so it's almost like you're playing Top Golf. It's not called Top Golf. What's it called? Golden Tee. It's like you're almost playing Golden Tee, where it keeps track of your ball, where it goes. You can pick different courses. And yeah, it's like you're literally golfing. And again, 65 jump Old-fashioned Friday. Let's jump right into it. You guys know how this works. 0 through 3 off appearance, 0 through 3 off first sip, 0 through 3 off overall taste, 0 through 1 on overall ambiance. Appearance first. No single cube. Everyone knows big on the single cube thing. Glass seems all right. I don't know why I have the straws in there. Could be better. Obviously, could be way worse. I'm gonna go 1.8 on appearance. First sip. That was clean, very clean. Asked them to make whatever their classic old-fashioned was here. I believe they use Bullet. I'm a fan of Bullet, so that's good. First sip, I'm gonna go 2.5. I'll do overall ambiance right now. I'm giving them a full 1. Top Golf is a phenomenal place to come to with friends. You get your own private bay. They have it protected from COVID, all that kind of stuff. They have their own clubs. If you don't have clubs, you can order all kinds of great snacks, food, drinks, cocktails. I've been here probably 10 plus times. We love it here, especially when it's nice out. Even when it's not nice out, they have heaters here, keep you warm. Great place. Here we go, overall. So I think I said 1.8, 2.5, and 1. So that's 3.5, 4.5, 5.3. All right, so we're 5.3 so far overall. All right, overall I'm gonna go 2. I'm gonna do a flat 2 because again, the ice will melt extremely fast without a single cube. So that's a 7.3. Top Golf, Ashburn, Virginia. Kev Kehoe's here. Yes, sir. Virginia is for Grubbers. Cheers, guys.